In this entire lockdown, the one thing which was my best friend was a night pant and a comfy t shirt. But now we are moving out of our houses and going to different places and clicking cool pictures in our dresses which we actually bought 5 months ago. But can we give a cute little farewell to our night pant which have stayed with us in this lockdown? Hi guys, I'm Hina Jain and today we will be preserving a cute night pants in a creative way which have spent maximum time with us in this lockdown. So let's get started. So for this you need a night pant, probably a plain color night pant which has a stretchy material, maybe navy blue, black, or any dark shade because we're gonna paint gold paint on this. So first we need to cut the bottom part of the pant, nice and easy. We will not use sorry we will not use this part of the pant. Yeah, just cut it. And now we're gonna go straight. We're gonna cut the leg of the pant slowly and smoothly. I'll just be fast forwarding it because this process is really boring to watch also and to do also, because we need nearly like 9 this kind string kind of thing for this project. If you're making more bigger this home decor, then you need more strings. So like this you need to cut cut. Even if it's not coming in proper straight line, it's okay. You need one more person to hold if you just want the perfect straight lines. So I'm cutting randomly. It's okay if you cut randomly because the parts which are out on this string will definitely be chopped off after some time. So I have one string ready. Now I'm going to stretch this string. Similarly, we have made so many strings. Stretched it nicely. Reason behind using the dark color is that we're gonna shade it with we're gonna paint it with gold color. So take one string, then the two string, and then the third one. Now we're gonna just connect all the ends of the strings and try to tie a knot. Try a good secured knot, like it should not come out or it should not get open or something. So make 2 or 3 knots randomly, like on the end. Secure it nicely. Yeah, like this. And now we're gonna make braids like this. Do you see the small cloth coming out from the string? You know, the small cutouts which we have not cut properly. Yeah, like this. Just zooming in. Braid making is a very simple process. It actually makes me remember the school days. We used to tie 2 braids and go to school every day. Like we used to wake up at 6 and then tie our braids. And so I'm just fast forwarding it. It's very tiring. Your hands will actually pain after this. Braid, tie. We just have to reach to the end of the strings. In the end also we need to tie a knot. This is a very boring process, tying the braids. My hands were actually pained while doing this process. You're finally reaching to the end, hopefully. Now we're tying, sorry, by now we are tying a knot at the end, securing the braids and cutting it. So, like this, we have actually made three braids to make a nice decor. Now, do you see the small parts which are coming out, cloth parts which are coming out? We need to chop them out with a scissor, like this. Just chop it off. Search for more places and then do it. Now randomly cut a part of the pant, small piece. Apply some Fevicol at the center of the cloth. Take one braid and we have to start moving it into spiral directions. So I'm applying more Fevicol on the sides, then moving my braids into spiral directions. It is a very easy process. You just have to follow. It should look like a jalebi. By the way, do you guys like jalebis? I like all the Indian sweets and all the desserts. Actually, I like everything in sweet. So just move it into spiral direction. Fevicol is just not coming out. Yeah, it's out now. Use your hands. Move into spiral direction. It looks like a chakli, you know. It's a very nice farsan. Chakli is a very nice farsan. I like chakli. Like everything in food. You name it and that's my favorite food actually. Apply more Fevicol. Just stick the other braid. Should look like a continue thing. So wherever you have ended your first braid, that's where you actually have to connect your second braid. Just move into circular directions. Yeah, I'm using a brush right now to stick. Move. You can also use the Fevibond or the fabric glue that comes. Now it's the time for a third braid to connect. So it's just coming to an end now. Make sure that there are no gaps. So I'm taking a wool thread, wrapping around my two fingers like this, and now I'll be cutting this thread like this. Then I'll be cutting the thread from the center, only from one side. Yeah, like this. I have small threads now. So now I have so many threads. Applying some Fevicol on the base. This is the back side of the decor. Just let it stick into U directions, but a closed U. If you have a one more way to do this, you can just share this idea with me. So I thought if you have any other suggestions that you can just make it look more better or something, you can just slide into my DMs and talk to me about it. If you have any ideas, any creative DIY ideas which you're not able to post or something, I can just post and make it on your behalf. So like this, whenever you're doing this, you just start applying pressure also. Once you have made this thread stick, apply some pressure with your hand or a bottle or anything, hammer or anything you wish to do it. And I'm just applying this on the half of the circle and not fully, because I like this way. If you just want to go fully, you can just go your artwork, your wish, your desire, like whatever you like. One of the thread is just flying. Okay, now I'm taking a bottle and now sticking it. Now, so with the remaining threads, I'm gonna do one half pom pom, not a full pom pom, but a half pom pom. So I'm twisting 3 to 4 threads like this, and then making a U again, twisting it and taking another thread and tying it up. Make 2 to 3 knots so that it gets secured nicely, like this. Take your artwork, and then I'll be using Fevibond for this. Apply some Fevibond on the back of the pom pom and then let it stick like this. I made one yellow also and one more pink. I have some Cody or shells, whatever you call. I don't know what this thing is exactly called. People, my place call it Cody. I don't know what it is called in your place. So just put it. And one for the center of the artwork to complete the entire artwork. So now I'm taking some more threads which are just longer in size and securing it with a knot. And now I'll be making braids. This string will actually be used to tie to hang our artwork. Make cute braid. This will be a very thin braid. If you just want to go for more stronger one, you can use six this threads of wool. By the end of the artwork, you might be complaining that how much this braid making process is going on in this artwork, and our hands are literally paining. My hands were paining too, but this artwork was worth it. So we're soon reaching at the bottom of the wool threads. And now securing it with a knot. Yeah. On the back side, just apply some Fevibond. Fevibond is more stronger than Fevicol. Fevibond is actually a family of Fevikwik. And I think it's not that secured, so I'll be applying some more Fevibond on the back side. Okay, so I'm taking some gold paint The reason I'm using gold paint is because there are still cloth which has come out of the braids, and it is not looking nice. It's looking unfinished because the cutting of the strings were not so proper. So I'm just dipping my brush in a straight way. Reason I'm using this kind of very old and bad brush is because I don't want a large amount of color on my brush. So I think this is the best way to do. Apply gold color everywhere. See how beautiful it is looking. And that's why just to apply this gold color we have used a dark color night pant. If you use a printed night pant, this look won't come. And the reason of pink and yellow color pom pom is because it gives a good complement to blue color. Just add more and more gold color. You can also color it fully with gold color, but I just don't want that my night pant material should not look, so that's why I'm using very less amount of gold color. Otherwise I would have definitely painted it entirely gold. So it's done, and now it's time for the show. See how pretty it looks. This is just, this is actually giving me bohemian vibes and makes me want to go for an holiday. So, this was my way of preserving my cute little night pants, reliving all the good moments I lived in past 5 months. Now, it's your turn to preserve your cute night pants and making a fun DIY project. Hope you are liking all my videos, and I will see you next time with one more interesting video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye.